Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class, and today we will read chapter 16, that is adverbs. Children, do you know what is adverbs? Adverbs are the words that tells about verbs, or we can say adverbs modify or qualify verbs or adjectives or other adverbs. So before we begin the chapter, let's do the exercise that is given here. You have to read the passage and underline the adverbs you can find in the given paragraph. So let's read the paragraph and find out some of the adverbs. Long, long ago, in a little village by the sea, lived a little family. They lived quietly and peacefully, going about their daily work cheerfully. One day, a storm hit the coast. The sky darkened threateningly. The clouds covered the sky. The winds blew gustily and on the little village. All the villagers screamed loudly and ran quickly into the only buildings that were built sturdily. All the huts in the village were destroyed. The people waited silently for the storm to pass and then went sadly to see the damage. Many of them cried bitterly when they saw all the houses completely destroyed. But the little family went about their work cheerfully, and when the others looked at them with surprise, they said, "At least we are all alive and hale and hearty. We have our troubles, but we also have the strength to cope with them. So have faith and courage and get back to work." All the people felt better when they heard these words and decided to face all of their problems bravely. Okay, children, now let's notice that what are the adverbs in the color are doing in each sentences. The first sentence is Jaya writes neatly. Manav is a very respectful boy. Sachin works extremely hard. So in the first sentence, the adverb is qualifying the verb writes. In the second sentence, it is qualifying the adjective respectful. And in the third sentence, it is qualifying the another adverb hard. So adverbs modify or qualify verbs or adjectives or other adverbs. Now let's learn the kinds of adverbs. We have already learnt about 4 kinds of adverbs. These are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Now what is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner always tells you about how the action is done. For example, Karthik plays the synthesizer very well. Secondly, adverb of place always tells you about where the action is done. Example, we will go upstairs to watch the match. Third one is adverb of time. Adverb of time always tells you about when the action is done. It tells you about the time of action. For example, they practiced the concert yesterday. Next is adverb of frequency, which always tells you about how often the action is done. For example, Sheena rarely wears her red dress. Now come to the exercise. Exercise A. Underline the adverbs and state the kind and circle the verbs, adjectives or adverbs they qualify. The first one is she sang joyfully, but he sang sadly. So here joyfully is adverb and sadly is also an adverb. It is adverb of manner. It is telling how the action of singing is done. And in the second sentence, we went to a cafe that was nearby. So here the adverb is nearby, which is telling you about the action of the place of action. Now in this way you can complete rest of the sentences by telling the kinds of the adverbs. Now let's do the next exercise, that is choose the correct option. The first one is I often go dancing as I enjoy it. So here it is adverb of frequency. In second one, I rarely drink juices for breakfast. It's also adverb of frequency. Now in this way you can select the suitable adverbs from these given options. Now notice the adverbs in these sentences. The first sentence is Arman is very good at tennis. Shikha almost always gets good grades. The mathematics test was extremely easy. The adverbs here answer the questions to what degree, what extent. So adverbs of degree tells us the intensity of the words they qualify. Now children, let's read which of the sentences sounds correct. The first one is Virat plays cricket good. The second one is Virat plays cricket well. So which one is correct? Of course, the second one. This one is correct because to modify a verb plays, one must use an adverb, that is well. Well is an adverb, and do not use adjective because good is an adjective and adjective always modifies a noun, not the verb. Now let's do the exercise. Correct the incorrectly used words in the sentences and replace them with suitable adverbs. The first one is Raghu ate the noodles greedy. So here the word greedy is incorrect and we will write the correct word, correct adverb in place of greedy, that is greedily. In the second one, Zara wrote the answer neat. So neat is wrong and in place of neat we will write the word neatly, that is an adverb. So in this similar manner you can complete rest of the sentences by doing the corrections in them. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.